Hey guys, what's up? So this is a purchase that I made back a couple of months ago for my kitty cat. Little did I realize it's actually a dog brush, but it works just fine for my cat, and she's like normal size, as you could see. Penny. She's 9 pounds. I was looking, I just needed like a brush, and I needed something to, cats clean themselves, but you still need to brush them because they get hairballs and stuff, of course. So I was just looking for something that I could use like a couple times a week just to brush her and clean her up here and there. It's JW is the brand, so it's like a gray and yellow. It's a soft rubber handle for a non-slip comfortable grip and metal bristles, and it also comes with a 3-year guarantee. It's made in China, you guys can see there. It's for pet use only, of course. The entire length is about 10 inches. The actual brush is about half of that. And I just use it on my kitty. I haven't used it on a dog before. I'm sure it'd be fine on a dog as well, especially since it is made for a dog, which I didn't realize. I guess I just kind of like ordered it online pretty quick and just put in pet brush, and I should have been specific and put in a cat brush, but that's fine. Obviously I kept it and I've been using it. So what I like too is that like it just like I've been using this for a couple months now, and it's fine. Like it doesn't have any like sometimes like this will get worn and stuff. That hasn't happened. That hasn't happened yet at all. So it was perfect for what I needed, really, to like brush and clean up my cat here and there. It's like definitely just the ideal brush for daily brushing to remove dead and shedding hair. The brush has a rounded head and slightly angled pins. It's especially good for use on double-coated dogs, apparently, which I didn't know, but that's good. The JW non-slip design handle is also more comfortable on the hand, making grooming a more pleasurable experience for you, which is definitely true. It's very soft to the touch, and that's nice. It's not like I'm handling something like hard and uncomfortable. So I'll show you just how much my kitty loves this brush. She loves to be brushed. She's such a ham sometimes when I'm brushing her. Like this back area I try to focus on because she's young. She's only like 4 or 5, they think. We're not sure of her exact age, but she's still young and flexible, and she could still move around, and she could definitely get herself clean. But with cats, like older cats, they could get like a matting like in the back area because they can't reach there. It's hard for them. She moves around a lot when I brush her, and then sometimes she'll like lie on her back and she wants her belly rubs. She's kind of like a dog. She's funny. Oh, there we go. Oh, look, exactly what I was talking about. She starts to do it. She's too funny, this cat. So she loves her belly rub. She likes it brushed. Right, Penny? You love when mommy brushes you. Just wanted to show you how much she loves this brush and how happy I am that I invested in this brush for her. What, baby? You want me to brush you? And she doesn't sit still. She's just too funny. So you see the way the hair gets in the brush? Just gonna put this down for a second. I'm gonna see how easy it is to just kind of clean it out. I'm gonna throw that out. Easy to clean. I'm sure I haven't really rinsed it too much. I usually just like pull out the hair, but I'm sure it's probably water resistant too if you wanted to rinse it, if that's easier for you after a while. I know especially with like a dog, if they go outside, they could get very, very dirty, and dirt could get stuck in the brush. So I would imagine most people would want to rinse it. I don't let my cat outside, so that's my explanation for usually just pulling the hair out and not really rinsing it off, but you could do that too, I'm sure. Super easy. I'm so happy she loves when I brush her. That makes me happy. I'm glad she likes it. But I could definitely see this being very great for a dog as well, and like all different types of breeds. And it was very like inexpensive and just overall really great, comfortable product. And they do have other brushes also online, but I don't know, I just found this. It was like a rounded brush. I'm like, this is perfect for her. And it's funny because as soon as she sees me take it out, she gets very excited about it. Right, Penny? She's like, Mom, brush me. So that's the JW pet brush, really a dog brush, GripSoft slicker brush. and it's JW Pet Company in full. So if you guys want to look it up, I hope you guys try this for your cat or your dog, and I hope you guys found this video useful. I'll see you later.